Made this little pretty flower arrangement at school for Mother's Day for her mom. She made it on a Wednesday, and then she brought it home on a Thursday, and she was hiding it in her bedroom because she had planned to surprise her mom for Mother's Day. So she told me that she was hiding it under her Lego box one day, then she took it downstairs and was hiding it at another place, and then she took it under her bed. Finally, when Mother's Day came, she told me that she woke up, she ran downstairs to get it wherever she was hiding it from. Then she got it and she came to the bedroom and gave it to her mom and said, "Happy Mother's Day, Mom." And Cindy said that she was totally surprised. So isn't it pretty and isn't it special that Cassandra got to surprise, Cindy for Mother's Day? How pretty, isn't it? Well, here it is. Father's Day. Cassandra, what are you gonna make for me for Father's Day, honey? I love you. Do you love Daddy? How much? Big? Look at that stomach. Woo, woo, woo. Sing, I love you, you love me. What? This is my song. I love me, you love you. We are as selfish as can be. I'm only kidding. Oops.
I love you.
Hey, where did your cookie go? Ooh, the penguin got your cookie. Huh? Hold on, let me clean your eye, honey. Eye, look at your eye, honey. Oh, please, come on now. Honey, look at your eye. Ah, there. Look, you're sitting on your cookie. Oh, you cut the cookie in half. Look right there. Oh, look at the poor cookie. It's all cut into tiny little pieces. Honey, you're gonna sit on it right now. You're gonna crawl all over it. Look, back up a little bit. It's right underneath you. Look, right there. By your hands. Right there. Right there. You're gonna sit on it. Oh, you sat on it now. Honey, it's right behind you now. Look, right there. There's your cookie. On the floor. Right there, look, see? Do you see it? There it is. Yeah. Oh, honey, don't eat it. Don't pick it up from the floor and eat it. No. No. Honey, Belladonna. Well, those are my kids in 1994. Today is May 17, 1994. And it's Tuesday afternoon. And here comes the other one. Oops, there they go, fighting for the cookie.